Hello, everyone. Welcome to the English Chat channel. My name is Sarah, and I'm happy you're here today. In this video, we'll go through 10 real-life English conversations about everyday situations for shopping. These conversations will help you improve your listening and speaking skills and use English confidently in real life. Before we begin, I have a question for you. What are the words written on the birthday cake? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Let's begin.
Hello, welcome to the butcher shop.
Hi, I'd like to buy some meat today.
Of course. What kind of meat are you looking for?
I need some fresh beef for dinner.
We have very good quality beef today.
That sounds great.
How much would you like?
I think 1 kilo is enough.
Do you prefer lean or regular beef?
I prefer lean beef, please.
Sure, I'll cut it for you now.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Would you like it cut into small pieces?
Yes, that would be perfect.
No problem at all.
Also, do you have fresh chicken?
Yes, we do. It arrived this morning.
Great. I'll take half a kilo of chicken.
Anything else you need today?
No, that should be enough for now.
All right, let me weigh everything for you.
Okay, take your time.
The total comes to 200 pounds.
That sounds reasonable.
How would you like to pay?
I'll pay in cash.
Here's your change.
Thank you very much.
Do you need a bag for the meat?
Yes, please, that would help.
Here you go.
Thanks again for your help.
You're always welcome here.
Have a great day.
Hello, welcome to our flower shop.
Hi, I'm looking for some flowers.
Sure, what is the occasion?
It's for a birthday.
That's wonderful.
Yes, it's for my best friend.
Do you have any favorite flowers?
I like roses and colorful flowers.
We have a beautiful mixed bouquet.
Can I see it, please?
Of course, here it is.
Wow, it looks amazing.
It's one of our best sellers.
I can see why.
Would you like to add a greeting card?
Yes, that would be nice.
What would you like to write?
Please write, "Happy birthday, my dear friend."
Done. That looks lovely.
Thank you.
Should I wrap it for you?
Yes, please make it look special.
No problem. I'll decorate it nicely.
I appreciate that.
The total is 150 pounds.
Here you go.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Here's your bouquet.
It looks perfect.
I'm glad you like it.
She will love it for sure.
Have a wonderful day.
You too. Goodbye. Excuse me, can you help me for a moment?
Of course. What do you need help with?
I'm not sure how to use this ATM machine.
Don't worry. I'll guide you step by step.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
First, insert your card into the machine.
Okay, I've done that.
Now, enter your PIN number carefully.
All right, I entered it.
Good. Now choose Withdraw Cash.
I see the option.
Press it to continue.
Done.
Now select the amount you want.
I need 500 pounds.
That's fine.
Should I confirm now?
Yes, press Confirm.
Okay, I did it.
Wait a few seconds.
All right,
The machine is processing your request.
I can hear it.
Here comes your money.
Great, I got it.
Don't forget to take your card.
Oh yes, thank you for reminding me.
You're welcome.
This was very helpful.
I'm happy to help.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Hello, welcome.
Hi, I'd like to buy some ice cream.
Sure, what flavor do you like?
I love chocolate.
Great choice.
Thank you.
Would you like it in a cone or a cup?
I prefer a cone.
Small or large size?
I'll take a large one.
Excellent choice.
Thanks.
Do you want any toppings?
Yes, please add chocolate sauce.
Anything else?
Maybe some nuts.
Sure, I'll add that.
Sounds delicious.
Here's your ice cream.
It looks amazing.
I hope you enjoy it.
I'm sure I will.
The total is 20 pounds.
Here you are.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Come again anytime.
I definitely will.
Have a great day.
You too.
Goodbye.
Bye.
See you next time.
See you.
Welcome to our optical shop.
Hi, I'm looking for new glasses.
Sure. Do you have a prescription?
Yes, I have it with me.
Great. Let me take a look.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What kind of frame do you prefer?
Something simple and stylish.
How about this one?
It looks nice.
You can try it on.
Okay, let me see.
It fits you very well.
I think so too.
Do you like the color?
Yes, it's perfect.
Great choice.
Thank you.
Would you like anti-reflective lenses?
Yes, that would be good.
It will improve your vision.
That sounds helpful.
The total price is 800 pounds.
Okay, I'll take it.
How would you like to pay?
By card.
Done. Here is your receipt.
Thank you.
Your glasses will be ready tomorrow.
Perfect. I'll come back then.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Hello. Welcome to our luggage store.
Hi, I need a travel bag.
Sure. What size are you looking for?
A large suitcase.
We have several options.
Can you show me some?
Of course. This one is very popular.
It looks strong.
Yes, it's very durable.
How much does it cost?
It's 1,200 pounds.
That's a bit expensive.
I understand.
Do you have a cheaper one?
Yes, this one is 900 pounds.
What's the difference?
The material is lighter.
I see.
It's still good quality.
That sounds better.
Would you like to try it?
Yes, please.
It has smooth wheels.
I like that.
It's easy to carry.
I'll take this one.
Great choice.
Thank you.
How would you like to pay?
Cash.
Here is your receipt.
Thanks a lot.
Have a safe trip.
Thank you.
Hello. Welcome to the cake shop.
Hi, I want to buy a birthday cake.
Sure. What kind of cake do you prefer?
Chocolate cake.
That's a great choice.
Thank you.
What size do you need?
Medium size, please.
All right.
Can you write a message on it?
Of course.
Please write, Happy Birthday, Sarah.
No problem.
Thank you.
Do you want candles as well?
Yes, please.
How many candles?
20 candles.
Got it.
When will it be ready?
It will be ready tomorrow.
That's perfect.
The total price is 300 pounds.
Okay,
How would you like to pay?
by cash.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Keep the receipt, please.
Sure.
See you tomorrow.
See you.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Hello. Welcome to our gift shop.
Hi, I'm looking for a gift.
Sure. Who is the gift for?
It's for my friend.
What kind of gift do you want?
Something simple but nice.
How about this watch?
It looks elegant.
Yes, it's very popular.
How much is it?
It's 500 pounds.
That's okay.
Would you like it wrapped?
Yes, please.
What color paper do you prefer?
Red, please.
Great choice.
Thank you.
I'll wrap it nicely.
I appreciate that.
It's ready now.
It looks beautiful.
I'm glad you like it.
I'm sure my friend will love it.
The total is 500 pounds.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Here is your receipt.
Thanks.
Have a great day.
You too.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Hello. Welcome to our car dealership.
Hi, thank you. I'm interested in buying a car.
Of course. What type of car are you looking for?
I'm thinking about a family car, something spacious.
Great. We have sedans, SUVs, and minivans.
I think an SUV would be perfect.
Excellent choice. Do you have a particular model in mind?
I like the latest Toyota RAV4.
That's a very popular model.
Yes, I read good reviews online.
Would you like to see it in person?
Yes, please.
Here it is. Take a look.
It looks great. What colors are available?
We have white, black, silver, and blue.
I think silver would be nice.
Sure. Let me show you the interior.
Wow, it's very comfortable.
Yes, it has leather seats and modern features.
Does it have a navigation system?
Yes, it comes with built-in GPS.
Perfect. What about safety features?
It has airbags, lane assist, and blind spot monitoring.
That's important for me.
Do you want to take it for a test drive?
Absolutely.
Let's go then.
The drive feels smooth. I like it.
How do you feel about the price?
Can we discuss financing options?
Of course, we have flexible plans.
That sounds good.
Would you like to buy it today?
I think I'm ready.
Great. Let's start the paperwork. Hello. Welcome to the stationery shop.
Hi, I need some school supplies.
Sure. What do you need?
I need notebooks and pens.
How many notebooks do you want?
3 notebooks.
What size do you prefer?
Medium size.
Here are some options.
I like these ones.
Good choice.
Thank you.
How many pens do you need?
2 pens.
Blue or black?
Blue, please.
Here you go.
Thanks.
Do you need anything else?
Maybe a pencil.
Here is a good one.
I'll take it.
All right.
How much is everything?
It's 100 pounds.
That's fine.
How would you like to pay?
Cash.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Here's your bag.
Thanks a lot.
Have a nice day.
You too. Welcome again, dear learners. I hope these conversations helped you understand how to use English in real life for shopping with more confidence. Don't forget to practice what you've learned. Repeat the phrases and try to use them in your own conversations. The more you practice, the more natural your English will become. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful English lessons. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.